Hi, my name's Nick. I'm a board-certified nurse practitioner here at Radiant Divine Medical Spa, and today we're talking about the NeoGraft and hair restoration. So NeoGraft is the latest and greatest hair restoration service on the market today. What it does is it's going to pull your existing hair out of the donor site, which is on the back of the scalp, and then that's reimplanted into the front of the scalp. So you're using your own hair follicles to grow back receding areas. Recovery with the NeoGraft is going to be right around 2 weeks. It's very quick recovery, and people typically feel back to themselves within 4 or 5 days, but it's very important that we do all of the post-operative care for 2 weeks. So with the NeoGraft, we're only able to do 2,500 grafts. So people who are almost totally bald would not be a good candidate. We're really looking for patients who are, thinning at the crown or receding at the hairline, so we can make a profound change as opposed to just like adding some hair to an already bald head. It's hard to say how much hair can be restored because it's super subjective. So some people, if they're getting 2,500 grafts, can restore a great deal of hair. But if you're just gonna do like 800 or 900, you just wanna, let's say, work on the hairline, then it'll be a minimal amount of like regrowth, but it's where we're putting it that is really gonna determine the end outcome and the result. If you have any further questions regarding NeoGraft or just total hair restoration, feel free to visit our website or give us a call to schedule your free consultation.